A hard reset, or factory reset, restores your Spectrum modem to its original manufacturer settings. This erases all custom configurations, including Wi-Fi passwords and network settings. It's different from simply unplugging the modem, which is called a soft reboot, and only restarts the device without erasing settings. Hard resets are useful for troubleshooting persistent connectivity issues, resolving software glitches, or preparing the modem for a new user. However, Spectrum advises caution, particularly with leased modems, as it can sometimes cause service disruptions. Before proceeding, consider using the My Spectrum app for guided troubleshooting, as Spectrum has integrated AI diagnostics to resolve common issues. A hard reset should be a last resort. If you have a leased modem, performing a hard reset without authorization may void warranties or trigger replacement fees, so consider contacting Spectrum support first. To perform a hard reset, first locate the recessed reset button on the back of your Spectrum modem. Use a paper clip or similar object to press and hold the button for 10 to 30 seconds. The exact time varies by model, so check the label near the button. The modem lights should flash or indicate that a reset is in progress. Alternatively, you can try power cycling. Unplug the modem, wait 60 seconds, then plug it back in while simultaneously holding the reset button. If you have access, you can also try accessing the modem's web interface at 192.168.100.1 in your browser. Log in using the default credentials, often admin for both username and password, or check the modem sticker. Look for a factory reset option in the settings. After the reset, allow the modem 10 to 15 minutes to reactivate and provision. You may need to contact Spectrum support to fully reactivate the modem, especially with leased devices.